Have you ever mixed toothpaste with salt? If not, you're about to find out how much you've been missing. See what happens when you combine these two ingredients. I do it often. You'll need table salt, fine and white, and regular toothpaste. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a container. Add a bit of toothpaste, squeezing about 10 centimeters from the tube. Also, add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. It will improve the mixture's consistency and strength. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. This small amount is completely sufficient for a single use. The 3 ingredients are inexpensive. That's why I have more money left in my wallet. I don't spend it on expensive products, yet the effect is the same. This homemade toothpaste cleans, disinfects, and leaves a perfect shine. Salt has always been used for cleaning various things, and toothpaste, additionally, disinfects the surfaces being cleaned and leaves a pleasant fragrance. Dishwashing liquid removes dirt, grease, and various deposits. Therefore, this mixture is perfect for the bathroom. It has extraordinary cleaning power. You can clean the sink with this paste. It will remove limescale and deposits from the faucet. A bit of the mixture will make it look like new. The same effect can be achieved in the shower. Just apply the mixture and rinse it off after a while. The shower head will regain its brightness and shine.
Cut the lemon and sprinkle it with salt. Place it on the nightstand and the annoying problem will disappear. It sounds strange, but it really works. Cut the lemon into quarters, creating a flower shape. Then fill its center with table salt. Place the prepared lemon in a bowl and put it on the nightstand. The salt will make the fruit emit a more intense fragrance. It turns out that aromatherapy using lemon effectively reduces stress. Just place it on the nightstand and go to sleep. The scent will make you feel calmer, help you fall asleep, and positively impact the quality of your sleep.
Add toothpaste to salt. Let me show you what happens when you mix these 2 ingredients. The result of this combination is brilliant and will definitely surprise you. When my grandmother told me about it, I didn't expect it to work so well. I'm sure you have the products needed for this trick at home. First, take some table salt and put 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Then, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. The next ingredient, which makes the mixture even better, is dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to form a uniform paste. This mixture has incredible cleaning power, and it has stopped me from buying expensive detergents. You can use it to clean your entire sink and faucet, just like I do. Our mixture removes all limescale, thoroughly disinfects surfaces, and leaves a great shine. After applying, wait a few minutes and rinse everything with water. Look at the result. It's fantastic. I hope you'll start using this trick too. Sprinkle your sofa with salt, and you'll never pay for cleaning it again. Plus, you won't need to clean or wash it as often. Start by pouring about 150 milliliters of warm water into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of regular table salt, a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything until fully dissolved, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your sofa might look clean, but it could still harbor dirt, dust, pollen, and mites. Spray it with this solution, and you'll tackle those problems effectively. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and has antifungal properties, eliminating fungi and their spores, as well as killing dust mites. After spraying, wipe the sofa with a dry cloth. It's like dry cleaning. This gentle spray cleans your sofa almost dry, better than many wet upholstery cleaners. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. I pour a handful of salt into a new laundry liquid. I'm thrilled with the results. Into a bowl, I pour 2 scoops of laundry liquid. Next, I add about 6 tablespoons of dish soap. It has properties that alter the surface tension of water and create foam. The next ingredient is regular table salt. I add 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Salt is a natural cleaning and disinfecting agent. Finally, I add a cup of vinegar. It has cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. I mix everything and transfer it into a spray bottle. This is my go-to solution for special cleaning tasks. It works great on limescale buildup. When I use it to clean the toilet, there's no unpleasant smell from the drain anymore. It also removes yellow stains from ceramics and toilet seats. The polishing properties are evident when cleaning the bathroom sink. It shines beautifully right away. This cleaner is highly efficient and effective. I've thrown away harsh and harmful detergents. This one is gentle and cleans just as thoroughly. Heat a fork over the stove flame. Trust me, this will completely transform your home. The scent in my apartment is so incredible that you can smell it all the way down the hallway. To create it, all you need is a plastic container with a lid that you no longer use. First, heat the fork on the stove and use it to make a few random holes in the container lid. This will allow the fragrance to release gradually. Now, it's time to prepare the scent mixture. Pour 1 cup of coarse salt into the container. Then, add 2 shots of alcohol to enhance and prolong the scent. Finally, mix in 1 capful of your favorite laundry scent beads. Their strong aroma will make the fragrance last even longer. Stir everything well with a spoon, then seal the container with the perforated lid. Place it in a discreet spot, like under a kitchen cabinet. Within minutes, a pleasant aroma will start spreading throughout the room, filling your home with freshness that even reaches the hallway. Combine cinnamon with salt. You won't expect these results. First, prepare a coffee grinder. Take a cinnamon stick and break it into smaller pieces. Cinnamon not only smells amazing but also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender to the grinder. Lavender has antiseptic properties. Grind everything into a fine powder. Freshly ground ingredients work best. Transfer the mixture to another container. Pour in 100 milliliters of hot water and stir well. Let it sit for an hour to cool down. After that, strain the liquid through cheesecloth. Add 300 milliliters of vinegar, which removes grease and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt boosts the cleaning effect and further disinfects surfaces. Mix everything thoroughly and pour it into a bottle with a dispenser. Your universal cleaner is ready. Use it to clean floors, kitchen surfaces, or dishes. This natural mix not only cleans perfectly but also repels insects.